Art and craft lesson. Today we are going to make one animal that can fly in the sky. And this animal has bright colors. Do you know what animal is this? Yes, start with pa pa pa. This is a parrot. Wow! Today we want to make parrot. So, are you ready, children? Yes. Let's take your art and craft plastic. Look at me something first, and you can try.
Okay, children, the first one, we are going to mix the paint, blue and yellow. Yes, blue and yellow. And let's mix. Blue and yellow, blue and yellow. And I have, wow, it's green color. Green. That's good. Green. Okay. Now let's take your white paper and your shower puff. This is the shower puff. And dip into the paint. Wow. Now you can stamp like this. Stamp your puff. Stamp on your paper. Wow. Stamp. Make it full. Stamp on your paper. Yes. Stamp. Make it full, children. Wow, it's green. Now, if you are done, let the paper dry first. And let's wipe the table first. Oh no, it's dirty. But don't worry. Oh, it's clean again. Wipe. Yes, it's clean. Wow, now we are ready to make a parrot. Now you can take your red Asturo paper and grab papers. I have orange, I have red, and I have blue. Yes, this is for the tail. And one googly eye. And oh, you have legs and beak. Okay, let's take the glue. Now the first one, let's put the beak on the top. On the top, children. This is for the beak. Yes, and one eye. Wow, one eye and one beak, curved beak. papers. On the left side, we start with orange, 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 red, and blue. Yes, orange, red, and blue. And where are the legs? 2 legs. 1, 2. Wow, that's my parrot. Now let's check your paper, children. Now, if your paper is dry, so you can paste the parrot on this paper. You can flip the parrot. And let's give glue. Up and down, up and down, up and down, and shake, shake, shake. Up and down, up and down, up and down, and shake, shake, shake. Yes. Now let's paste it on the paper. Hello, parrot. Tap, tap, tap. Yes, this is my parrot.
Yes, we have finished the lesson for today. If you are done, children, you can show me your parrot. Where is your parrot? Where is your parrot? This is my parrot. It has curved beak. The color is red, long tail, and 2 legs. I love my parrot. Can you do it, children? Okay, you can try. Now it's time to tidy up. Everybody tidy up, tidy up, tidy up. Everybody tidy up, and see you on the next video.